So try to search for your phone settings to fix the problem. Tap on the settings to open it. Tap on apps and notification. Tap on the see your apps. Wait for it to load. And after loading, what you have to do is to tap on the search apps over here. Then you type in Bradesco. Then you tap on it. When it appears, tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is still on. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is still on. Tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. Tap on the storage and cache and tap on the clear cache. Now go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. So tap on it to open it and try to search for Bradesco app. When it appears like this, try to update it. Tap on the update over here. If you don't have an update but you can see open like this, just leave it like that and tap on your power button for some while. Tap on restart or reboot. It depends on the phone that you're using. Now after that, tap on OK or accept it for the phone or device to reboot itself or to restart itself. If you don't have this option on your phone, just try to turn off your phone and turn it on back again, and this problem is going to be fixed. After doing this, access the app and everything is going to be working perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to share this video, give a comment and like the video, subscribe to support us.